Alrighty, y'all, it's been kind of a slow day for the YouTubing, not gonna lie. We've been just at our computers all day, working on Keto brick stuff, working on client stuff, working on emails, so I apologize for that. We're gonna launch these bricks, put them up, restock them on the website, and then we're gonna load up, hit the road, head back to Fayetteville, and start packaging these brick sales. So, that is what we're working with now. Crystal, what do you think about it?
Really excited to launch the bricks and get them to everyone else, everyone who wants one. I'm hoping that more people get to like actually try them this time, and everyone has that opportunity.
Yes.
Sorry, I sound crazy. I am so tired.
Yes. Anyways, we're about to launch these right now. So, here we go. When this video goes out, they'll already be live. So yeah, I don't really know what's going. Like when you see this video, this is gonna be the next day. So all these will probably be sold out by then. So we apologize for that. But if you subscribe to the emails, you'll be getting an email as soon as I hit the publish button here. So if you want the bricks, you want updates on the bricks, when you go to ketobrick.com and you sign up for updates or sign up to be notified when they restock, that's who gets notified first. Plus we'll put it on the Instagram, like the Keto Brick Instagram and our personal Instagrams. So yeah, just be in touch there. That's gonna be the quickest way to know when they go live. So yeah, here we go. Launching in 3, 2, 1.
That is fantastic.
Wow.
What just happened, Crystal?
We just sold all of those bricks in 10 minutes.
How many were there?
1,200.
That's awesome.
That's insane.
My granny's in the other room, even excited.
I think it is just one that I've never in my life.
You
I'm
hear?
so excited for you guys.
She's excited for us. We're excited. We just want everybody to get a brick, though. Honestly, like we feel bad because not everybody's getting bricks. We're gonna make another batch this weekend, though, or this coming week. So we'll make more. We'll get them out. I'm talking to somebody in New York to help us produce them at a larger scale. I promise. I'm doing everything I can to get everybody bricks. Promise. Thank you so much. Enjoy your bricks. We'll be making more. Alright, y'all. We're about to load up. We got all the Keto brick stuff in the truck. It's coming down pretty hard. Thinking it's all waterproof. Yeah. All loaded up and ready to go. What do you think, Crystal?
It is what it is.
What do you think, Precious? Granny?
Precious is just going to miss Jack. I know that.
Oh. Alright, y'all, we're at Sam's Club now, getting some gas to hit the road. This is gonna be just kind of like a behind the scenes of what I was going on with the Keto brick stuff. Like, it's not gonna be like a normal vlog, like I'm not having a cool workout footage. But, so we launched the brick this morning at 3 o'clock. We sold out in 10 minutes, 3:10. We got it all loaded up in the truck. We're headed back home. I'm gonna show you how we package them all, and then we're gonna ship them all out tomorrow. So, I like to, one good thing about them selling out so quickly is that we can just do all these in segments, like block everything out, make them, sell them, package them, ship them. Boom, boom, boom. So today we're going to be packaging these bad boys so that we can ship them tomorrow. Alright, y'all, this is Crystal's and mine. Oh my gosh, we're so overwhelmed. What are we gonna do with our life face?
Can't believe you can even laugh.
Baby. Are we gonna make it?
No.
What's the matter? What's the matter? We got this, y'all. We're overwhelmed, but we're so happy. Crystal, come here. Well, she still got the booty. Funny story, y'all. Before I decided I was gonna be a bodybuilder, I was sold on being a horse jockey. So saw that newspaper, had to laugh, because at one point in my life I thought I was gonna make my living racing horses, which is funny because those guys are like 105 pounds soaking wet, and my goal now is to just get as big as possible. Oh well, life changes, I reckon. Alright, y'all, we just got back to the house in Fayetteville. Let's see what time it is. 8:30. Alright. I have to check in with my clients. It's gonna take a couple hours. We're gonna unload the truck and then just start packaging these bricks. The goal is to have all the bricks packaged for shipment and be in bed before we wake up at 6 a.m. for Rise and Grind. So, on the Instagram live stories. So, it's going to be a long night. But I'll show you some behind the scenes for packaging these bad boys up for shipment. In other news, I've got my meal here that Crystal kindly prepared for me. We got chorizo, eggs. What else we got in there, babe? Sausage. And hit the macros perfectly within 1 gram of everything. So, cannot complain there. Alright, y'all. We're signing these notes because we're all about that personal touch. It is... What time is it? 12:18 in the middle of the night. Still got another couple clients to go through. Got a whole bunch of bricks to package. We ain't gonna sleep tonight, but that's okay because sleep's overrated, y'all. Alright, enjoy your bricks. Alright, y'all, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We have not slept. We're doing the Rise and Grind on Instagram Live. We got a bunch of them packaged. We still got more to go. Let's get ready to rumble. Just to give you a little behind the scenes, we have our labels printing out here. We got our packaging operation going on over here. And then we have all of our ready to ship finished products going on over there. Having fun, baby? Mm-hmm. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning. Crystal's been hard at it. How you doing there, Crystal?
Doing okay.
Long night, but can I say this? We're trying something a little bit different to combat the heat. We're trying to put some of these in thermal heat blocking packages. So we'll give this a shot and see how it works. Let me know if you get a deformed brick or not. If you get a deformed brick, it's still totally fine. Just a little funky looking. So we're running into the next day right now, so I'm going to cut this vlog. I don't even know what kind of footage I have on here. I'm going to edit this right now and get it out to you. And then we're going to mail these bricks out so that everybody gets their bricks ASAP. And then we'll make more bricks next week. So, love y'all, and we'll see you soon. Any last words, Crystal? Good night, good morning.
Good. Yeah, both of those.
We're going to get some sleep before we make any more video content because we're both dead. Yeah. Catch y'all later.